Site Transfer Wizard is a unique feature of Akeeba Backup. With it, you can copy an entire website from one server to another without having to download anything to your own computer. This is particularly useful if you have a limited internet connection or the site is particularly large. To begin with, click on the Site Transfer Wizard. Site Transfer Wizard requires you to have a recent backup of your site. You can see I have one here already, but if you don't, then a link will be displayed for you to create one. You are also prompted with the minimum disk space required on your new server to transfer the site. Next, enter the URL to the new site and click on Check. You now need to choose one of the available transfer methods. I'm going to choose FTP. First, I enter the FTP hostname of my new server, and then the FTP username and password. And then the actual directory on the remote site that I'm going to install this website in. Now the path can be quite difficult to get exactly correct, so the easiest thing to do is to open your FTP program and copy it from there. I'm using FileZilla, but you could use any FTP program. When I have connected with my FTP, I can navigate to the site route, in this case public HTML, and take a copy of the actual full path. I can then return to my website and paste it in to ensure it is exactly correct. When all that's been entered, we can proceed with the installation. Akeeba Backup is now uploading a copy of the Kickstart program and transferring the backup file to your new site. Depending on the size of your site, this may take some time, and you must keep this page open until it has completed. Once completed, click to run Kickstart and a new browser window will open to the Kickstart program running on your new site. We can now complete the restoration process on the new server as shown in the previous video.